Hey everyone, Wicked Journals here. I have this book for sale in my Etsy shop, so I wanted to do a flip through to show you everything that's in here. And if you see anything that you want a tutorial on how I did it, let me know, and I can certainly do that for you. So this book is, let's see, get my little ruler out here. It's about 7 inches by 5.5 inches or so. And the spine is, about 2 3/4 inches. So the cover is decorated, and this is a book plate that you can slide a title plate in there if you want to. And it has a little jewel and it says enjoy the little things here. The spine is reinforced with lace on both the back and front hinges. And let's open her up. So it has a ribbon closure. And it has all these fun ribbons that stick out the top. These are all things that are removable. So if you don't like the ribbon sticking out the top, you can take those out. And it has some lace on the edges and things sticking out over here as well. All right, so in the front, we have this lovely parchment paper for our cover sheet. And we also have a plate here. You can put the year or the theme or whatever it is. And then there's a little postcard charm. It has a lobster clasp on it, so you can take that off and put it somewhere else or whatever you want to do with that. These pages are hand stitched. And so that's the front, the cover page. These all have picture corners, so you can slide something under there. And then it has a journaling spot here with the little butterfly, of course. And a lot of the pages in here are envelope window pages, so you can slide things in there, postcards, pictures, ticket stubs, whatever. And then throughout the journal, there are also removable decorative paper clips. This one says stop and enjoy. So you can reposition those as you like. There are tons of pockets with bookmarks, tags. You can use these for journaling spots or whatever you want to do with them. And then this one has a tag. These tags are pretty thick. They're not flimsy, so they should last you quite a while. And then throughout, there are also several decorative envelopes with inked edges. And these are pretty sturdy cardstock paper, so you can put memorabilia in there. You can use them to mail a letter, whatever you want to do with those. And journaling spot, one of those window envelopes, decorative paper clip. It says life is beautiful. Again, over here, we have some of those picture corners where you can slide things in there. Lace on the edge, hand stitch pages. And this is a flip down journaling spot. So maybe you have a picture and you want to journal something that you don't want everyone to see right away, maybe. A little secret. Hand stitched pages again. And it kind of follows that formula throughout. So we have our picture tuck, journaling spot, window page, journaling spot, decorative paper clip here. It says happiness is handmade. Then we have another tuck spot full of goodies. We have journaling card and another envelope here. The other side, we have another tag, another envelope, all kinds of goodies in here. You can see throughout that these signatures are hand stitched in with waxed thread, and the stitching on the pages is embroidery floss. Journaling spot, window pocket, decorative paper clip with ribbon, picture tucks. And then there are 4 of these tuck journaling spots here throughout the book with different colored seals here. And washi tape, decorative paper clips, little decorations throughout. Another pocket full of goodies. And same thing here. Decorative paper clips again, so you can see it follows the same formula throughout, and it's got different decorations, different colors. It has some gold stamped images, very subtle. This one's a little 10-penny bicycle. Lace, hand stitching. This one says choose joy here for this decorative paper clip. And more of those. Pockets full of goodies again. Same thing. This one is a policy envelope instead of the classic side open, so it opens on the end there instead of on the side. The papers used throughout are postcards, so it's postcard collaged paper. There's a little beaded decoration on this page that sticks out. Lots of fun ribbon, all kinds of fun stuff. Here's that last journaling flip down spot. Everything is inked, stitched, laced, all kinds of decoration. This says joy is contagious here. And more goodies back here. This one has a library card. This is actually a downloadable ephemera in the shop as well. It has 3 or 4 different designs of the library checkout cards. And that takes us to the end of the book where it has another parchment splash page. And the inside cover is a collage of stamps. And there you have it. There's that one. I'll put the link to this and my shop in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions.